Welcome back subscribers and hello YouTube viewers. On this occasion we're off to the Albert Park Golf Course. The Albert Park Golf Course is situated 2 kilometres or 1.243 miles from the Melbourne CBD and adjacent to the Albert Park Lake and the current home of the Melbourne Grand Prix Australia. The 18-hole layout is one of the best golf locations in the world, with views of the Melbourne CBD skyline from most of the holes. Golf has been played at Albert Park since 1897, making it one of the oldest golf courses continuously played in Victoria. Many of the oldest golf clubs, such as Royal Melbourne, have moved location over time. Initially a private club, the Albert Park Golf Club designed and set up the original 9-hole golf course on land leased from the Albert Park Trust Committee of Management. In 1931, the Albert Park Golf Club lengthened the golf course from 9 holes to 18 to meet the standard length of a golf course. In 1947, the lease for the private club was not renewed as the Victorian government decided that the golf course should become public. The Albert Park Golf Club subsequently moved to Keysborough and established what is currently known as the Keysborough Golf Club. A small group of 20 women continued to play at Albert Park and they formed a club known as the Lakeside Golf Club Associates, the LGCA, based at the Albert Park Golf Course. The LGCA subsequently became affiliated with the Victorian Golf League Associates, the VGLA, in 1953. The club members have been playing continuously at Albert Park since that date. The LGCA held competitions only on Tuesdays, given that some women were playing golf on Saturdays and Sundays due to work commitments. The LGCA requested permission from the VGLA to hold Saturday and Sunday competitions. While the request was initially declined, LGCA persisted and permission was finally granted. This was quite an achievement at the time when women were rarely seen playing golf at a weekend, let alone on a public golf course. In 1970, the Sunday competition ceased, and in 1987 the club changed its name from Lakeside Golf Club Associates to Lakeside Ladies Golf Club Incorporated. So without further ado, let's check out Albert Park Golf Course. So here we are at Albert Park Lake and the golf course is just here on the left. And you might have heard during the introduction, it used to be a 9-hole golf course and now it's an 18. Now directly in front of us, at street level, is the golf course Clubhouse. Now I've got 2 entry points and I'll probably turn into the traditional entry point. There it is there. This is your main entrance to one of the oldest golf courses or clubs in Victoria. I'm not sure where it sits in relation to the oldest in Australia, but definitely one of the oldest continuous golf clubs. And there you go, that's the entry. Pro shops there. So here we are at the first hole. We've got a group of 3 about to tee off. I have asked if it was okay to video them, and they were quite happy to do so. Puts them under a bit of pressure, and I do have to say that all 3 of them hit the ball quite well and got quite a good distance towards the green. So well done to all 3. So here we are coming to the end of the presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, by all means give us that thumbs up. Subscribing would be great, and if you could click on that, that would be fantastic, as it does help with the algorithms and this channel. Basically, I need to get about 1,000 subscribers, and any advertising that might be selected for this video, I'll be able to generate a bit of petty cash, which would come in handy, especially if I'm away from Melbourne, to put some fuel in the motorbike, or even get me a can of meal at a pub somewhere. But like everything, the most important thing is stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day.